Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a doctor landing page in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Landing Pages in the left-hand menu. Now click Create Landing Page. Browse the available templates and choose a clean, professional design that fits a medical practice. Click Use Template. The drag-and-drop editor will now open. Start by adding a strong headline such as, "Book your appointment today," or "Trusted healthcare for you and your family." Next, add a short description introducing the doctor, clinic, and medical services offered. You can also include the doctor's photo, qualifications, years of experience, clinic address, and office hours to help build trust with visitors. Add patient testimonials or reviews if available. Next, insert a contact form or appointment request form. Include fields such as name, email address, phone number, and preferred appointment date. Customize your call to action button with text like, "Book appointment," or "Schedule consultation." Once your page design is complete, click Next. Configure your landing page URL, SEO settings, and domain preferences. You can publish the page using a GetResponse subdomain or connect your own custom domain. Review everything carefully and click Publish. Finally, test the page to make sure the form works correctly and submissions are being collected. That's it. You've successfully created a doctor landing page in GetResponse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.